Do. It's so useful in English that we use it all the time when talking about our activities. What did you do yesterday? What are you doing now? What will you do at the weekend? It's neither formal or casual, it's just standard English. But did you know there's an alternative, more casual phrase you can use instead of do? One that native speakers use all the time when they talk together. And it's really cool and useful, I think. Well, stick around because in this video, I will show you how to say do without saying do. Hi, I'm Andy from The English Writer, where we help learners improve their English language skills. If you're new here, then please make sure you click that subscribe button so you can keep up with all our tutorials and videos and even leave a comment. So, how do native speakers say do without saying do? I'll show you. What are you up to tonight? Oh, I'm going to the cinema. Did you catch that? The phrase used in the question was up to, and it replaced doing. So, what are you doing became what are you up to? It's simple, yeah? Up to instead of doing. Here are some more examples. What were you up to when I called? You're always up to something. However, those two sentences were using be verbs as the auxiliary verb, like this. Were you up to? For were you doing? And are always up to for always doing. But when the auxiliary verb becomes do itself, things change a little. So, what do you do at the weekend? That is, your regular weekend activity becomes what do you get up to at the weekend? Do you see that? We added a get before the up to. What do you get up to at the weekend? Here are some more. What did you get up to last night? What will you get up to tonight? So we have two things to remember now. Up to for be plus do sentences. I wasn't up to anything at the weekend. And get up to for do plus do sentences. As in, I didn't get up to anything at the weekend. Note, both of these examples mean the same thing. And you can also say, I got up to nothing at the weekend, putting the get into the past form. I got up to nothing at the weekend. However, at no point does up to change. It's always up to. Now, I'd like to say something more about up to that I find more fun. Not only do we use these phrases for simply talking about someone's activities, but with a little change in tone, we can turn a question into more of a rebuke. Especially when we're looking suspiciously at a young child, a naughty pet, or a useless husband. So, what are you up to is so innocent now, but what are you up to sounds so much more suspicious. What are you up to? And you're always up to something can be both impressed by someone's energy and enthusiasm or a judgment of that person's bad behaviour. You're always up to something. But we can also change the emphasis when someone is being funny, on purpose or accidentally, such as, "What are you up to?" Again, you can do all of this with do, too. Don't forget. And one final point I'd like to mention before we finish. Pronunciation. As a learner, learning new phrases and words is great, but you can't always hear them because native speakers speak so fast and join everything together. So, up to doesn't always sound like up to. It can sound more like up to. What are you up to? What you up to? Or what are you up to? And many more, depending on national and regional accents. My own accent is a kind of diluted estuary English. It's what happens when a boy from Essex goes to university and specialises in English language education and lives overseas for many years. It's not posh or like a BBC newsreader, but it's not typically regional either. A kind of modern standard British accent, I guess. So just remember, not everyone you hear will sound like me, of course. And that's it for this tutorial on one more useful phrase to add to your own English language conversations. Try it as soon as you get the chance and let me know how it goes in the comment section below if you want. If this was useful, keep checking back for more tutorials, and why not check out my other conversation tips videos such as alternative phrases to long time no see. Until then, keep practicing your English and bye for now.